Let's go, grab a cup of coffee, pour it over ice, take it for a walk while we talk about
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to bring you guys to explore the IBN BATTUTA mall. Besides shopping, you can actually do a few other things there. You can definitely spend the entire day if you include shopping, but there are a few other activities that would take between half an hour or however many hours that you decided to spend. The first one is of course watching movie, and the cinema that is available there is the Novo cinema. You have the option to purchase your tickets at the counter via Novo app, or they even have a number of self-service kiosks that you could use. As for me and my husband, we really like booking in advance via their website, so we would select the movie that we want to watch and the timing that we want to watch. With Novo Cinema, they actually have a lot of promotion when it comes to the credit cards that you use to check out, so you could select one of those. After that, it will bring you to the seat selection. We usually pick the cheapest one, which is the Novo Cool. Our tickets usually cost us 62 dirham and 50 fils. We usually get the popcorn combo before we go in, and we would ask for caramel popcorns to be topped with a little bit of cheese popcorns. This time, however, we got an additional drinks because we're feeling thirsty.
Grab a cup of coffee, pour it over ice.
So the price for one combo plus one additional drink is 45 dirham. There are plenty of seats outside if you need to wait for the hall to be ready. This was before the movie or even the advertisement even started. Of course, it is illegal to film while the movie is playing. This is just to show how the seating looks like.
Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands?
Now let's move on from the China court of IBN BATTUTA Mall. We are currently at the India court. The place that we're going to is right opposite of the Galleries Lafayette. It is called Switch Bowling. This is what the entrance looks like, and you can actually do more than just bowling. They have billiard, karaoke, and as well as PlayStation. We were told that we had to wait about 30 to 45 minutes before the next lane opens up, so we decided to sing karaoke for about half an hour. The sound system for the karaoke was okay. However, the system itself is quite old school. You have to look through the catalog and type in the number of the song one by one, which takes quite a bit of time to search for the songs that we want.
Right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet, the sunset, and I would do it all again, 'cause I'm doing my
The 30 minutes karaoke session cost us 30 dirham. Now it's finally our turn to go to the bowling lane. First, we have to put on our shoes. My husband already has his sneakers on, so he doesn't need to change into the rental shoes. I used to be quite decent at bowling, but I don't know why, but this time I suck really bad. My husband turned out to be the MVP between the two of us. Well, not in this shot, but the next one.
sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet, and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with you.
We only played one game, so it didn't take that long for us to finish the entire game. I think I got strike once, which was sad, but at least it was caught on camera, so there's the proof. As for the cost, it was 80 dirham, which is 40 dirham per person per one game. Finally, this is our result. My husband did pretty good, but I couldn't say the same for me. So I let him have the bragging right for the rest of the day or until the next time that we do bowling again. There are boxes for you to return your shoes on your way out, so I did that. We got pretty hungry after the game, so we decided to have chicken for early dinner. We used Entertainer app, so we got the buy one get one free for 22 dirham. This is our total for the entire day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Pillow talks so symphony, souls connect so physically, yeah.